That's Dimash Kudaibergen. The Kazakh prince. Man, you gotta love Dimash. He's very energetic. Shout out to Kazakhstan. Salametsiz Bey. The energy is definitely there. Love the language.